What's up, everybody? It's me, Leo Spangler. I'm back here with another adventure. Today we are halfway in Tennessee, halfway in North Carolina. We're in the Roan highlands and we're hiking Grassy Ridge Bald. Been here before, a little over a year ago. That was before I started filming, so super amazing spot. No trees. We're above some clouds. You'll see later in the hike. It's really nice. It's not too cold. A little bit of a breeze. It's way better weather than I thought it was gonna be. Said it was gonna be like rainy and like 20 degrees or something like that, but turned out to be not as bad. Yeah, we got like a 5-mile hike and it's like 1,000 feet of elevation, and yeah, I'm really excited. All right, there you go. You can kind of see how we're above the sea of clouds out there. Can't zoom in, but you kind of see it. And this trail's really well maintained, but I do know from the last time that I was here, it was springtime too, last time I was here, and there was ice on the trail, a lot of ice on the trail then, and now it's winter time, so I'm assuming that we're gonna get a good amount of ice on the trail. So I did bring micro spikes, okay? Somebody commented on one of my videos and it's kind of like judging me for slipping on the ice. So they told me to get some micro spikes, and you know, I was like, you know what? I think it's time. So I made the purchase and I got micro spikes. Caden does not have micro spikes though, so that's gonna be interesting. As you can see, we already got ice from this little runoff built up, and that just tells me that there's gonna be a decent amount of ice up there. Such a cool forest, guys. If you haven't been out to Roan Highlands, it's another place that you can find moody, mossy conifer forests with a lot of spruce trees and stuff, hemlocks. I mean, just look at it out here. Such a cool place. I feel like I'm in Twilight or some shit like that. Especially in the winter when it's really wet up here. Such a cool vibe. So, made it out of the little forest, and this is our first like clear view, I guess. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. I believe this is Roan Mountain. Okay. I also am taking this one off. It's freaking hot. Once you start moving, yeah, we both have flannels on. Okay, get used to it. All right, so here is kind of like a little stealth campsite, because if you didn't know, we are on the Appalachian Trail. We're hiking on the AT all the way up to there. That mountain right there, that is where we're going. That's Grassy Ridge Bald. Grassy Ridge Bald. It's a little over 6,000 feet. But anyways, this is like a little stealth campsite. And I mean, immaculate views. If the weather's like perfect, like this would be a pristine campsite, honestly. A lot of the times up here, it's windy. Even if it's like nice and not stormy, you'd really have to have like a mint day to camp somewhere like this, unless you don't want to deal with the wind. I mean, plus, I don't know if I would like to camp here just because it's not as private as like some other sites in the Roan Highland area, because like the trail's right there. But I mean, still, this is amazing. And then if we go over here, back on the other side of the trail, you have more campsites over here, like in the trees over there and stuff. And this is another amazing view. I mean, just awesome, dude. 360 degree views, and we're not even where we're going, which is over there. So this side is Tennessee, and then this side is North Carolina. We're about to go through some of the coldest temperatures ever up here. Tomorrow it's starting to get down to like -20 degrees up here, and I thought it was going to be like that today, or at least kind of like that, so I brought a lot of warm clothes and like ski masks and crap, but it's not as cold. It's still cold enough to where I think that there's going to be a good bit of ice once we start climbing Grassy Ridge in that little like wash. But here where the sun's hitting, it's just turning this all into a mud pit, and it's freaking disgusting. I mean, look at Caden's shoes. Gosh. Look at this, guys. Holy crap. This is a nice little snack spot. Amazing. See the road down there? I'm not sure what road that is. Tennessee. Beautiful. Still got the clouds out there. I mean, come on now. I remember eating a snack here last time and there was like nowhere to sit. There were so many people up here. It's amazing. If you don't winter hike, honestly, it's not as bad as you'd think. And I think I like it a little more than hiking in the summer. There's no bugs, not a lot of people on the trail. There's low humidity, so you get awesome views. And honestly, like, it's like in the 30s right now. And I promise you, once you're like moving, it's not that cold. Like my hands aren't even cold, you know, and I'm a skinny guy. Like, I mean, I get cold like easier than some people and I'm not cold, you know, when you're moving. Might pop a squat with Caden down there and eat a snack. Normally not the type to do this, but I'm gonna do it today. If you like what you're seeing in this video, I would appreciate it if you liked the video, click the little like button, and check out some of my other videos. And if you like those, then I guess you can subscribe. That would be really cool, because this is what I do on my channel, and this is what I'm going to continue to do. Hiking, adventuring, of any sorts, traveling, especially next year. Me and Caden's got some stuff up our sleeve. All right.
Oh yeah, we got something good for y'all, so make sure to stay tuned for that.
I have a few things, and let's just say they're not around here. They're far away.
To put it in the best way, it's not around here.
Dude, this is freaking ridiculous. I bring micro spikes so I wouldn't slide around today and slip and bust my butt. But the mud is like worse than the dang ice. Like, this is fine. This is just normal, you know. And then it gets like this stuff. Looks like, see, it just comes out of nowhere. It kind of like blends in.
And then, guys, we thought we were gonna die a minute ago because dude was walking the trail with his dog and he wasn't leashed in and came running up, and I'm looking down and he just fucking jumps on me. I'm like, oh. Super beautiful out here right now. Man. Oh man. A little blue blaze action coming up on a beautiful freaking view. Man. Super cool. All right, so this is actually where we part ways with the AT, the Appalachian Trail. It goes that way, and we continue on up to the top. We're going that way, the AT goes that way. The more I think about it, man, the more the Appalachian Trail seems like something I just want to do. I really want to do it. I'll eventually do it, but I don't know when. Okay, so this is definitely the most ice accumulated that I've seen on trail. Like I said, this is like a wash. And I'm standing on ice, probably shouldn't. But you can definitely go around it. You can even tell that people freaking go around it. You know what? I brought my freaking micro spikes, all right? And I'm kind of excited to try them out. So I'm gonna freaking do that. Even though I don't have to. I'm gonna walk with my micro spikes on ice. All right, they're on. All right, I'm actually pretty scared. I think that I'm gonna like get overconfident and think that they're like just cleats. Oh. I mean, I'm not lying. They're actually pretty good. I'm not going anywhere, even on like a slope. Pretty freaking good. This is softer ice because it's melting. But now you guys can't roast me, all right? That I don't have, you know, proper equipment for winter hiking, okay? We just made it to the view of looking like north or northeast, and we can see like an amazing view of Grandfather Mountain out there. That is my favorite place to go hiking. If you have yet to go to Grandfather Mountain and you like being outside, period, you're missing out, man. See all the clouds moving in. It's awesome. We're gonna be above a sea of clouds up here. So stoked. All right, here it is, guys. The summit of Grassy Ridge. Yay! You got a cool plaque up here. Kind of makes you feel special, I guess. To honor the memory of Cornelius Rex Peak. I don't know what that is. You can pause it if you want to read this. And by the way, this is just unreal. The clouds are moving in, and whoo, the views, bro. It's crazy. And we're the only ones up here. We're the only ones. Like, not a single soul. If you look right here, dude, freaking camp spots. Right out, looking out there. I mean, dude, amazing. Caden's got the setup over there. That's where I'm going. Places like this, man. You don't get places like this to yourself. Rarely, man, rarely do you get places like this to yourself. But I feel like the only time that you have a chance of getting a place like this to yourself is in winter, when there's less tourist traffic. I mean, it's just beautiful, dude. This is, I'm gonna sit up on this rock. This is just the perfect way to end off the year. Really, like, this year was probably the best year of my life. And I'm not lying, I'm not just saying that. I've done so much that I've wanted to do this year. Seen so much and experienced just so many things. And I thank all of you for sticking around and watching my channel, supporting my channel, you know, watching my stuff, and yeah, just being here and supporting me. I'm not stopping YouTube ever. Maybe when I'm like 80 or like retired, I'll stop, but I'm not gonna stop uploading and doing this because this is just what I love to do, man. And yeah, I just, it's awesome, man. It's awesome. This year was just amazing. I went through a rough patch in the summer, and that was pretty rough. You know, I couldn't really do much, go anywhere, but I still did some amazing stuff this summer, like going camping and hiking and, you know, adventuring. I went to Atlanta to a concert. That was amazing. Went to see Odessa. You know, that is like a lot of experiences this year. Even though it was a rough year throughout the summer, the best year of my life. And if you haven't watched my like yearly montage recap video, go check it out, link in the description or something. I could not, honestly, I could not ask for a better way to end off the year right now. This is the best way to end off the year, with a view like this. Just sitting with this view. I mean, yep. And I got my brother here, of course. I'm so thankful for
my brother, because without him, I'd be doing most of this stuff by myself. I don't really have anybody else to do stuff like this with. Yeah, I don't know. I'm thankful, grateful, and I'm happy and I'm content, and I'm ready for next year. I am ready for next year. This is going to be the outro for the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz. And again, thank you for this year, and I'll see you guys next year. Peace out and live cosmic.